I wonder if Autodesk is ever going to fix this annoying problem in formatting units, in formatting values that you get onto the drawing. So here I have a pretty basic assembly just I set up for this video. So I have few pieces of content center steel profiles. These are bars, and the problem is that by default the quantity of unit quantity is in millimeters, which is fine, because then you get the overall length you need for this assembly to be manufactured. But the problem is these trailing zeros. Actually, it looks ridiculous in the title blocks when you have value of millimeters to the 1,000th of a millimeter. So this is ridiculous, and there is no way to directly format this thing. You can do the following. You can open this part. You then need to go to Tools, Document Settings, Units. You need to change this. You need to apply at this point. You need to go here. You need to take this, and make apply. And by the time this unit that is pulled, the quantity is pulled without these trailing zeros. But the problem is that having left this as it is with a linear dimension display precision set to 0 decimal places, you then get a ridiculous values in the mass of the elements that are less than 1 kilo in weight. And then this mass is also pulled onto the parts list on the drawing. So you have a bar that clearly weighs something, but you are not able to get this mass onto the drawing because it reads 0, because it follows this setting. So now you can of course change this back to that, and now it's in the state where this is represented with 0 decimal places. In the same time, mass is represented in the, let's say, proper decimal places, so it's visible. But the problem is, whenever this element changes, it will update again to 3 decimal digits in length. So this is pretty annoying to have to go through this process of getting into document settings of each individual content center steel profile once you want it on the drawings, and then you need to do it again every time you change anything in the length of the profile. So is there a chance that Autodesk will ever fix this problematic behavior, so to be able just to simply format units when you have the column that displays these units? This is ridiculous that it's not possible to do it in a reasonable manner in Inventor.